Handa na para sa game number 2 dito po sa ating All-Filipino Cup Finals.
For Coach Alan Caidic, tignan natin kung anong mababago istorya dito nung laro dito ni Mark Caguioa.
Tignan natin kung anong gusto nilang gawin dito sa pagkakapasok ni Mark Caguioa. Pero isang napapansin natin, talagang magaling na learner ito yung si Alan Caidic. He learned that in game 1, you cannot afford to start slow against San Miguel Beer. Binaon sila ng San Miguel Beer. Yung first time niya na tumapak sa isang championship, pinakita niya na talagang matagal na siyang nag-iintay pumasok sa championship.
Oo nga, no? May side story pala tayo dito kay Jun Limpot. First time he makes the finals dito sa PBA. Oy!
The stroke! At magandang pangitain ito, Coach Yeng. At ito pong spectacular long distance shot brought to you by PLDT NDD. Now,
yung philosophy ng dalawang team na to halos pareho Pero dito, makita natin walang double team Hindi double team. Oo. Tao nun ang talagang agresibo sa pagdo-double team.
Ildefonso from the outside.
Uy!
Will that basket count?
Counted yun.
Eksakto daw ang pagkakabitaw. So San Miguel takes a 1-point lead. Sila yung tinatawag nilang odd pa rin ng kanilang presence in the championship series.
Kuminsan, ang tagal bago bago ka makapaniwala na nandiyan ka na sa finals. Pero ito, paniwalang-paniwala. Nasa finals
game
na siya.
Game number 1,
si
nagpakita ng kanyang tunay na kargahan para sa San Miguel. Scored 20 points from the outside. Wala. Calpito. Excellent offensive rebound. And off the bench, he gets an offensive rebound, put back. Maganda 2 points yan. Ako, sobra nakahagulat. Banda. And that spectacular long distance shot was brought to you by PLDT NDD.
That was lost. They're taking yung mga bad shots kasi pwede pa ikot ang bola dyan Oy! Nako.
Baldavid did all he could do in that sequence, but Olsen Nasela brought his A game. At saka yung sinasabi natin, mukhang may hangover pa coaching ito. Doon sa kanyang game number 1 exploit.
At saka makita mo rito, yung barangay, itong San Miguel, parang cool na cool. Ayan pa, isang cool na cool.
Maganda ito, maipasok niya yung kanyang unang tira dahil yan ang spark na hinahanap ng Barangay Ginebra.
Mas lalo nagiging problema para sa depensa dahil meron ka ibang iniingatan. Biglang pumuputok itong mga ganitong players.
They reverse the ball. Caguioa is open for a 3-point shot! And that PLDT IDD long distance shot brought to you, of course, by our friends from PLDT. Mark Caguioa, hindi ko malaman kung maraming pambili itong mga ito ng phone card Pero tawag na tawag para check kung ano nangyayari sa kanilang laro. At least dito sa game number 2, may highlight na si Mark Caguioa. Open is Racela. Pass na pa shot, binigay kay Isigel. 3-point shot, ako nabawi agad.
And that's how unselfish, itong si Olsen Racela. Pwede na niya kasing point guards din sa PBA. Ang gustong i-dispute yun. Uy.
Caguioa has it. Pupukas si Caguioa. And 7 straight points. At yung bang inyo nakita was another Super Bowl kasi tapal.
Mukhang nagpe-pay off dito yung gamble dito ni Coach Alan Caidic. Starting out Mark Caguioa who produces 7 points in a row.
Malaking bagay para sa kanila yung spark na hinahanap nila. Yun ang wala sila in game number 1. Sigel is open for his 5th shot. From long distance and brought to you. Mark Caguioa was open pero hindi nila makita. Ang ganda ng coverage ng San Miguel Beer sa depensa.
Actually, hindi na iswing kagad ng Barangay Ginebra. Nandun si Mark Caguioa sa kabila. Mas libre sana
Ito ang libre.
Ayun.
And you don't leave. Olsen Racela open. Replay ng game number 1 first quarter.
Para sa Barangay Ginebra, you can't go on a shootout against San Miguel. Kailangan dumidepensa ka.
Baldavid will take this shot.
Ayun.
From the outside. And another PLDT IDD long distance shot. Pagbibilang tayo, marami na sa bakod natin ito
Pero
we're checking yung ating percentage at yung rate na pagbabato ng mga trio. Steal by Baldavid. Baldavid might go all the way. Hindi, nag-intay. Baldavid to the open Mark Caguioa. Caguioa nasa 3-point land. Inside to Jun Limpot. Excellent pass! At yun ang spark na hinahanap nila.
Yes, and now, etong si Mark Caguioa also giving up the assist pass. All-around game for him.
That was Alay, maganda gabi sa'yo at yung utang kang blowout sa amin.
Oo, matagal na.
Namimiss ka na namin. Mahaba na babuhok mo o maikli na? Verhel Meneses. Ang ganda nun, Coach Yeng, to end the first quarter on a high note. They've cut the lead to 2 points. Pagbabalik po kami with the second quarter.
Pat Gao doon.
Sa kabila naman, si Helterbrand is infused into the ball game. Joining Verhel Meneses, Mark Caguioa, Crisano, and Calpito. Calpito. Finger roll!
Grabe nilalaro ni Banjo Calpito dito sa larong ito. Actually, ito Barangay Ginebra, inching in. 4 na lang din ang lamang dito ng San Miguel.
Ildefonso taking on Crisano. Natabunan, steal by Helterbrand. In a foot race against Boybits. Bibigay kay Kagiwa. Kagiwa will lay this in. And Kagiwa sparked Ginebra with 9
Foul here
points.
from Alex
7 of them.
Crisano and the refs. Uy,
Kalpito na naman, Coach
Oo.
Yeng. Pero he gets up gingerly. Mukhang nasungkit ng kuko dun sa kanyang right arm.
oo nga. I was about to say, yung mga refs allowing some contact there. Oy!
Tama, Kagiwa.
Oh!
Yung isang nakikita natin na hindi nalalaman ng maraming scout, yung kanyang explosiveness. First step, ayun yung first step. And he is gone. And he has 11
Dominated
points. Barangay
and slope.
Ginebra toe-to-toe with San Miguel Beer. 8 and 18 remaining in the second quarter. 25 all ang ating score. Lago from the outside. Ang bigat niyan. And that's open. Malayo. From long distance shot. And another spectacular long distance shot. Brought to you by PLD.
8 3-point shots dito early in the second quarter para sa dalawang team na to.
May double team kay Jun Limpot. Meneses is open.
Ayan na naman.
Meneses shoots. At ngayon, ang total na,
Ay 5 out of 11 na tong Barangay Ginebra.
structure, laro.
Magda-
Kumbaga, short of saying na, kumbaga, bara-bara ang laro. Pero yun ang karakter talaga nila eh. Ildefonso, muscling his way in. Ang lakas, nakuha niya yung offensive rebound. The kick out to Lago, who had one 3-point shot. Mainit talaga tayo dito. Alam bang meron dito? Palitan ng basket. At yung last basket, pinukol ni Danny Siegel from the outside. Sinagot yung pukol kanina ng Barangay Ginebra sa JJ Helderbrand. The score is 37-33.
Ayan ang mahirap, pagkalaban mo San Miguel, yung blast nila, meron na naman doon, pero ginantihan ulit ni Berhel Meneses.
Ginawa mo ng lahat para ikulong. Nakawala pa rin for his 15-point. Danny Siegel, open is Kagiwa. He'll take this one. Mainit, mainit, mainit ang kamay ng bata.
Grabe yung quickness nito, no? Di mo alam kung
lamig, papainit pa yan.
papainit pa. Warma pa lang yan, ha?
Wala, warma pa lang. Kapapasok lang muli nito si Kagiwa after scoring 11 points. But something that Barangay Ginebra will have to solve.
Jun Limpot, si
or will
Alex
have to learn.
Crisano is able to hold off.
Ganda ng touch pass kay Crisano. Open is Limpot. Limpot from the corner. Yun lang ang maganda. Talagang basket for basket nasasagot nila. And
Ayun,
almost a steal.
na.
Calpito hustling. 3 seconds to shoot. Racela. Bail out
Naku
shot.
naman, sakit naman nun.
Pan-championship.
Oo.
Banjo
Grabe.
Calpito with another rebound. He has 4 defensive and 1 offensive rebound. Baldavid.
Fade away. Ayan na naman.
Ayun, nakuha niya na yun. Ang
Oo.
magandang stroke is yun para kay
Tayo with
Baldavid at
35
least.
seconds left dito.
Tight ball game. Baldavid. Pinwersa for his 4th straight point. A total of 7 points para kay The Flash. Ang reverse ng bola. Daniel Defonso. Left-handed hook.
Ganda nung jump hook ni Daniel Defonso. Hindi lang kanan ng jump. Ito na
Ito,
naman.
Baldavid. Pabantang
Ano na
tira.
naman?
Ang score. Pero
At
alam
sino
mo
ba
namang
ano-
hindi ma-in-love dito sa larong ito. Sa ating first 2 quarters, lamang ng dalawa. Tabla ngayon. At
Ito
si
si
Baldavid.
Daniel Defonso at Danny Siegel ang nagiging malaking problema ng depensa ng Barangay Ginebra.
Baldavid na naman. And 4 straight
Nako.
points. Mukhang merong ang ganda ng pasa na yan kay Baldavid on a follow away. Scuffle for the rebound. Natapi kay Baldavid. Open is Mark Kagiwa. Mark Kagiwa. Lumapit na konti. Hindi kinaliwa. Meron ka pala nun. Hindi ko alam. Nebra.
Iba talaga.
Ildefonso umaatras. Ildefonso got away with the... Nakita mo yung bangga, no?
Yes.
Pero parang legal eh, no? Sabay na sabay sa kilos eh.
Nasa sa...
They isolate Limpot. May carry doon, ha,
Oo,
coach?
may carry. Hindi nakita ng ref.
Baldavid in and out. Lago. Hook shot. Ayun ang magandang pulot. Yung carry na tinatawag natin, yung sinususpend yung dribble.
Sinahin kay
For
Kagiwa
a moment, parang nagkukulang sa aggressiveness driving to the basket. He might be bothered by the defense of San Miguel Beer.
Naku.
Open, celebrating his birthday, and that spectacular long distance shot brought to you by
Malaking bagay.
Diyan, yung San Miguel, bumatak ng husto dyan sa third quarter niyan, San Miguel.
Importante dito, no? Yung first 2 minutes, hindi sila pumayag na malayuan sila. And even to cut the... Almost traveled. Ang pasa, napakahina. At wala nang bababa sa depensa. Mukhang si Jun Limpot is tired. He has practically played this entire ball game. And Mark
Fishing
Kagiwa is all about his matchup against Siegel. Wala siyang magagawa habang tinitignan natin ang highlight na ito. Brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can say it, text it for free activation call 171 against
Pero
Danny Siegel.
kung tutuusin, marami nang natutunan. Ito si Mark Kagiwa. Ayan pa.
Binawi naman niya.
Ayan pa.
Anong
Marami
sabi mo
na.
ka mo?
Oo, marami na siyang natutunan dito. No?
Yung
Sinasabi lang
kumpiyansa
natin.
niya,
Tsaka intensity niya, nandyan parate.
Yun ang hindi mo maaalis dito. sa isang batang-batang Mark Aguiwa who's taken the PBA by storm. Turnover. Baldavid. Yan ang sinasabi nating spark. Baldavid. Binigay kay Calpito. 4 straight points. Yun ang sinasabi mong spark at unting nagigising ang mga fans po ng Barangay Ginebra na akala ko'y...
Ang dami nilang second chance points dito. Yung mga, ayun, nakalibre na naman.
And that's a big one.
On the second possession, I think third possession pa nga yung basket na yun ni Nick Velasco.
Another no fit.
Ano ba sa paayan? Naku, nakakatakot ito pagka naging healthy pa to 100%.
Seagull is open. Ang challenge. Ang sama ng rotation na iwan si Baldavid sa ibabaw. At sabay niyan, another PLDT, IDD long distance shot. Sabay ng timeout. Ang laki ng problema ng Barangay Ginebra. Yung depensa nila, nabubutasan pa ng San Miguel Beer. Have taken a 13-point lead, the biggest in the ball game.
Ayan, nabanggit natin si Berhel Meneses. Ginamit na ni Coach Alan si Berhel ngayon. Pero yun pa rin, tuloy-tuloy pa rin.
No mercy para dito sa San Miguel Beer.
Oo, let's see if
sa game number 3, sana magkasabay silang dalawa.
Dapat.
Na hindi mawawala. Na magpakita.
Magpakita. Importante yun na magkasabay-sabay ang magandang laro. Naku, wala talaga magawa na.
Dito talagang natatabunan po ang koponan ng Barangay Ginebra o ang Barangay Ginebra. At ang last 2 minutes ay hatid sa inyo ng Tanboy Ram, the number 1 Ram. Kagiwa, pumubukol pa rin. Remember, habang tinitignan natin, 20-point lead ng San Miguel Beer. Maybe more dito sa tira na ito ni Olsen Racela, which fails to beat the buzzer. Ito po ang at the end of this game, we will be choosing our Viva Mineral Water Best Player of the Game. Alam ko na, kandidato dito.
Sino? Alam na.
May kandidato kami sarili ni Coach Cheng. Alam niyo naman dito, dito nga sabi ko sa inyo, nagkakabotohan dito. Magkakabotohan dito sa Best Player of the Conference. At alam niyo na kung nakanino boto ko.
Nakanino?
Nakiyengyaw. Yung final seconds natin. And again, ewan ko kung anong klaseng drawing board ang babalikan itong kupunan ng Ginebra.
Ayun, tumripoys na rin si Alex Crisano.
Sabi niya, subukan na natin lahat. And Calpito will lay this one up. Yun yung sinasabi natin hanggang dulo. Sige, pinipilit pa rin baka score. And final score, 89-72. At diretso ho tayo kay Paulo Trillo. Kasama ang ating, Andre, isa-set up muna natin si Paulo Trillo. Again, inuulit namin ang final score, 89-72. San Miguel Beer completes its mastery in the first 2 games of the series. Lipat tayo kay Paulo Trillo with the winning coach, John Wichigo.
Okay, thank you, Chino. Coach, in game number 1, sinabi nyo na mukhang pagod yung Barangay Ginebra. But here in game number 2, San Miguel again pulling through, but this time by a bigger margin.
Well, they shot very well in the first half. They shot, I think, 65% in the 2 points. And I just told the team that, you know, they're shooting 65% and we're still down 2. We're still in the game. So just keep playing. Hopefully they won't shoot well in the second half. And I think that's what happened. They just didn't shoot well in the second half. And we took advantage of that leveling off of their shooting percentage.
Well, you're correct, Coach. You played big in the second half. Alam natin, you always say San Miguel's a team that relies on all its 12 players. Pero tonight, the 2 Dannies really stepped up for you.
I know. I mean, in crunch time, we always rely on the 2 Dannies. And just like what Olsen said before, if a 3rd man steps up, it's gonna be very difficult. So that's good that the 2 Dannies came to play. They know it's championship time, so they stepped up.
Well, Coach, with this win number 2, you guys are a step closer to that all-Filipino crown. How does the morale feel? How does the team? How do you feel the team's pulling it together here?
No, we're still 2-0. Remember, it takes 4 games to win. I know we're 2-0. It's nice to have a good cushion. And the game on Wednesday, on the next game, will be very crucial. If we win that game, then it looks clearer. But if they win that game, then they're just 1 game away. So the next game will be very crucial.
Okay, congratulations again, Coach.
Thank you very much.